guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, like I mentioned in my previous video, I'm going to talk about Amazon brand haul. I'm going to talk about some of the things that I picked up from Amazon brands during the Amazon Great Republic Day sale. Amazon has their own in-house range of brands catering to various kinds of things such as clothing for men, women, kids, etc. under different brand names, and also kitchenware and every other category. But I've done a clothing haul, and my western wear Amazon brand clothing haul was in the previous video. This video is going to be about the Indian wear. I'm going to show you some of the suits and sarees that I've picked up from Amazon brands. So without further ado, let's get started. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all of my new videos. And now let's get started. Also, sorry in advance for my voice. My throat is in a bad condition right now, so I apologize in advance because my voice is really bad right now. So I'm going to start with my favorite category of clothing, you know, across all brands, across all categories of clothing, and that is a saree. This is a saree that I've picked up from Amazon brand, and this is what the saree looks like. I'm going to insert, you know, closer up video where I've styled the sarees, but this is what it looks like. This is the color. It's a nice green, like a proper green with red border, and this is the pallu where all the work is happening, and it has this border. The border is the same on both the sides, and yeah, really good quality saree. This is the blouse that comes with the saree. I love that, you know, the work over here is golden, but it's not a very in your face golden, like it's a very matte finish kind of gold work, and it has these floral things on the border, purple, orange, pink, blue, a lot of colors happening here. A really good quality saree. The fabric quality is amazing. I'm really amazed. You know, I got this saree for under 1,000 rupees. The color is also very flattering for all complexions. Anybody and everybody can wear it. Could wear it with the blouse that is there with the saree, or you know, like I've done, pair it with a contrasting red blouse because there's red on the border, and give a new meaning, a new look to your saree. A lot of times, you know, I like wearing my sarees with some other blouse that, you know, that doesn't come with the saree, because that lends a new different perspective to the kind of look that you're trying to create. The saree is perfect for small gatherings, home functions. I mean, it's really good. The quality is really good, and at this price I think it is a very good pick. Next is another saree in a very different color. This is the grey color that I've picked up. This is what the saree looks like. You wear it, and it has a pink border, a Rani pink border, detailing on the body of the saree. It's an all over work saree, and again on this one the gold is not very in your face gold. It's a very soft matte gold kind of a look, so you can wear it during the day also, and for small functions at home also. This is the saree, the body of the saree, and this is the blouse that it comes with. But like I said, I like to pair my sarees with you know, contrasting blouses, so I worn it with a pink blouse like this one, and it makes for a really interesting daytime wear saree. Next I have a two-piece suit ready-made from Amazon brand called Mix. I have worn some kurtas from them in the past also, and I really like the quality. This time I picked up this pastel green kurta and off-white straight palazzo set, and the kurta has embroidery details in the front, and it has a plain off-white cream colored bottom. Makes for a really good set, very comfortable. Quality of the fabric is again really good. It's not fine, I mean it's very soft and smooth, but not transparent. which makes for, you know, a good quality kurta wear for summers, for office wear, for everyday casual wear. And the MRP is 1899. This is the price at which I got it, and the quality is amazing. Last thing that I have is again this kurta from Mix. This is you know, a flared kind of a kurta with a belt on the waist, and it has this ikat print all over and slight flare at you know, in the lower half of the kurta. Makes for a really good everyday wear, office wear, if you like prints like this. And I've paired it with the palazzo from the previous set, and both of them go together really well. You could also pair it with, say, a black or even, you know, a mustard bottom like this one, whichever way you like it. And the quality of this one is also really good. It has pockets on both the sides, which I really appreciate in kurtas. This is also from the brand Mix, and the fabric quality is really good. You wouldn't need to wear a lining on the inside. It's nice and thick fabric, not transparent. The MRP is 1399, but this is the price at which I got it. And if you would notice, all of these things have been at a really good price, and I love that, you know, the quality of everything that I've purchased from Amazon brands, be it Indian wear like in this video or in my previous video, all the western wear that I've done, dresses, denims, tops, bottoms, everything that I had in my last video also. The quality was really top notch, despite the fact that the prices were very competitive, some of them starting from under 300 rupees. So I really have loved, you know, my haul this time, shopping from Amazon brands. I think I've tried to show you a diverse category of products, so you can decide whether you want to buy kurta, or you want to buy a suit, or you want to buy a sari, or you want to buy office wear tops, casual wear tops, you want to buy denims, you want to buy lounging pants, you want to buy office wear pants, you want a maxi dress, you want a shirt dress. I have shown you a huge variety of clothing items in these two videos, and all of them have impressed me a lot. I'm going to leave the links to all of the products in the description box down below in case you're interested in checking out any of them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.